Hi, I'm Mel McGee, founder and CEO of We Can Code It. And at We Can Code It, we not only believe in empowering individuals with the tools and skills they need for a thriving career in tech, but also showcasing their remarkable journeys. Today, join us as we dive deep into Jo's transformative experience with us and how it has reshaped her career path.
Hello, everyone. My name is Colleen, and I'm a marketing associate for We Can Code It. And I'm here with Jo today, who is actually a software developer for JP Morgan Chase. And we're going to talk about her We Can Code It experience and how it has impacted her in her life today. So let's just get the ball rolling here. Jo, what was your career and education background before attending We Can Code It?
Okay, so I am originally from the Philippines. I took a unique path. I didn't complete college then because I was actively involved in a family business. Then I also got into several tech startups, and eventually I gained experience developing websites. And from there, I got really into the tech world.
Awesome. I love that. It's very cool. So, did you have a little bit of coding experience in software development, or was it all just a lot of work in the web?
More on the front end, like user experience and user interface designs and WordPress website development.
Okay, awesome.
Strong emphasis on diversity and inclusion, which really got my attention. And I'd like to give a shout out to Cliff and Alan. They were really good instructors and they went the extra mile to support us through the program. So yeah, I love We Can Code It because of the
Beautiful.
instructors in, yes, the program.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much. So, what were some of the challenges you faced or any projects that you thought were particularly memorable?
During the remote boot camp, there were a lot of interesting projects. And one standout project was the final one. We had to build it from scratch. And it really tested my coding skills. And there was a lot of Java. And it also tested my ability to collaborate effectively in a remote setting because we are all in a remote team. And it's kind of difficult to put together a schedule where everyone is available. So that was kind of challenging for us.
Absolutely. Well, it's very impressive that you were overcoming that. So, now let's get into some stuff about career services. So, how did you feel about the assistance that you received from your career services rep?
Oh, they were a really big help. So Janae was the career service instructor at first, and she helped me a lot with the expectations after the boot camp and preparing my resume. And then Amanda, she was awesome. She was always checking in on me, and she was giving me a lot of great tips on how to make it past those applicant tracking system, which was really useful because I wasn't getting anywhere before. And I just found out that the ATS was being used, and you really have to um, customize your resume so that goes through. And it really made a huge difference in my job hunt.
Awesome. So, you believe that your career services representatives were very impactful in helping you get a job when you.
Absolutely.
Awesome. That's awesome. So, okay, I guess let's talk about the job search process then. How was that for you?
Oh, it was very challenging, but I mentally prepared myself for what's coming because graduating from the boot camp, it is just the start of your journey as a software developer. So it took me a year after graduation to secure a job, but that is already expected. Looking at all the like all these job cuts going on,
Yeah,
it was
the state of the
get
job market, right?
right. It was really tough, but I really sent out like 10 to 20 applications a day, and it ultimately got up to 400. And I got several interviews. I made it up to like third round, and there were some offers, but it wasn't what I expecting. I mean, it's like a part-time position, so I didn't really accept it. And then ultimately I made it for JP Morgan, and that was amazing.
Wow. I'm super impressed with your grit and determination during the job search process. So it seems that you are happy in your current role. So do you want to tell us a little bit about what it's like and just your job in general, being a software developer?
Sure. So my typical day follows like a structured routine. It starts with a meeting with a team, and then we dive into the task for the day. And it's really a great environment for personal and professional growth. And I really enjoy the challenges and opportunities that come with being part of the team.
That is perfect. And I love that so much for you. So, last but not least, do you have any closing remarks or advice for prospective We Can Code It students?
Yes. So never give up. Always chase your dream. I mean, you graduated from We Can Code It. It's the start of your beautiful journey, and persistence is the key. Don't be discouraged. Like, you will get a lot of rejections. That's part of the journey. But you just have to keep sending out the applications and remain persistent in your job search and learn from your rejections. Use it as a learning opportunity. So understand why you might have been passed over and focus on improving those areas. There's a lot of online courses that you can take and learn from that. And also tailor your applications. Examine the job descriptions carefully before you send it, and make sure that it matches your skills and qualifications that they are looking for. And you might want to focus on skill enhancement. Like if you lack certain skills, um, invest time in on the online courses, just like I mentioned earlier, and network. You have to network a lot and utilize LinkedIn. Um, Add a lot of people that you feel like living the dream right now. And ask them like if they can be nice to give you some tips, and also build your portfolio while you are waiting for that dream job. So create a portfolio and showcase your work online. That's a very important as well. And yes, stay positive, never give up. You can do it.
Every student has a unique story filled with challenges, perseverance, and ultimately triumph. Joe's journey from We Can Code It to JP Morgan Chase is a testament to what the right dedication, guidance, and relentless pursuit of one's dreams can achieve.